In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printify and Etsy. This is an exciting journey into the world of print on demand, where you can create and sell your own custom products without worrying about inventory or shipping. So, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This way, you won't miss any of our future tutorials that can help you in your entrepreneurial journey. First things first, let's start by discussing what Printify is. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects you with various suppliers around the world. When you create a product and someone buys it, Printify takes care of printing and shipping it directly to your customer. It's a fantastic way to start a business because it allows you to focus on designing and marketing your products without the hassle of holding stock. Now let's hop into setting up your Printify account. To get started, go to Printify.com. Once you're there, look for a big green button that says Get Started or Sign Up. You can create an account using your email or connect using a social media account of your choice. Follow the prompts to fill in the necessary information. After that, go ahead and verify your email address. This is an important step as it helps to ensure the security of your account. Once you've successfully set up your account, you'll find yourself on the Printify dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see options to create products, manage orders, and explore various features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It will really come in handy as we move along. Next up, let's create your first product. Look for the catalog option on the left-hand menu and click on it. You'll see a wide variety of products you can customize, ranging from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and tote bags. Choose a product that fits your niche or interests. For demonstration purposes, let's say we're going to create a t-shirt. Click on it and you'll be taken to a design page. Here's where the fun begins. Printify allows you to upload your own designs or use their built-in tools to customize your product. If you have a specific design ready, just click on the Upload button and select your image file. Adjust the size and placement of your design until you're happy with how it looks. Make sure to check the print area so that your design doesn't go outside the boundaries. Once your design is set, you can move on to the next steps. You'll have the option to select colors and sizes for your t-shirt, as well as set your selling price. Keep your market in mind here. You want to price your products competitively while also ensuring that you cover your costs and make a profit. Once you've filled everything out, click Publish to add your product to your Printify store. Now that you have a product ready, it's time to connect Printify with your Etsy store. If you don't have an Etsy store yet, head over to Etsy.com and sign up for an account. Follow the instructions on their site to create your shop. Make sure to fill in all the necessary details, such as your shop name, policies, and a short bio to connect with your audience. Back to Printify. On your Printify dashboard, look for the My Store section and click on Add New Store. Select Etsy from the list of platforms. Printify will prompt you to authorize the connection by signing in to your Etsy account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to give Printify permission to manage your products on Etsy. And voila! Your Printify account is now connected to your Etsy store. You can easily publish your created products straight to Etsy. When prompted, make sure to select the products you want to send to Etsy and click on Publish. Double-check the details on Etsy to ensure everything looks just right. Congratulations! You've now set up Printify and Etsy. You can start promoting your products through social media and other marketing channels to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and refining your designs, and don't hesitate to engage with your customers for feedback. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up Printify and Etsy. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content. Happy selling, and I can't wait to see your creative products out there.